Hello students, today we will going to start second exercise of third chapter 3.2, but before start this exercise we will discuss mode and medium. So now question arises, what is mode? Mode of a set of observation is the most occurring frequencies, or we can say a frequency that occur most of the time is known as mode. It is very easy to find out the mode of the set of observation where our data is very small. For example, question number 4. In question number 4, we have to find the mode of the given set of numbers, and numbers are 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 4. First of all, we arrange these numbers in ascending order. So we have 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3 and 4, 4. So here 2 occurs 4 times, so 2 is the mode of this data. Now if we have to find out the mode of large data, for this first of all we construct frequency distribution table for this, and from the frequencies we can conclude that what is the mode of the data. Here in example number 5, we have given some data and we have to find out the mode of this data. So first of all we arrange this data in our tabular form, or we can say we arrange it in the frequency distribution table. Then according to our frequency, 2 occurs 14 times and 2 is the mode of this data. So now move to our next topic, and our next topic is median. Now you can see clearly here that median gives us the middle observation. When we arrange our data in ascending or descending order, the median gives us the middle observation. Here two different formulas are applied for find out the median of the even data or odd data. So there are two different formulas for odd data and even data, but in your class 7 questions are only of odd data, so we apply formula for find out the median for odd data is equal to n plus 1 upon 2 observation. It is the formula for the odd data where n is equal to number of observation. Now start exercise 3.2, and first question of exercise 3.2 is the score in mathematics test out of 25 for 15 students is as follow. Find the mode, median of this data are the same. For solving this question number 1, first we arrange our data in ascending order. So after arranging our data in ascending order, we conclude that 20 occurs 4 times, so 20 is the mode of this data. Now we have to find median of this data. For find out median of this data, we apply our for find out the median of this data, we apply our formula. Median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2 observation, or you can write term. So here are total number of observation are 25. It is given in the question out of 25. N is equal to 15. Here are score of 15 student. So in place of n, we put here 15 and 15 plus 1 divided by 2 observation. So 15 plus 1 is 16, 16 by 2 observation. Now you have eighth term or eighth observation here. So check your eighth observation and it is 20. So your median of this data is 20. From our answer we can conclude that mode and median of the given set of observation are equal. Now move to our second question, and second question is the run scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follow. We have to find mean mode and median of this data. Are these three same? So first of all we arrange our data in ascending order. For find out the mean, we apply the formula sum of all observation divided by number of observation. After adding all the observation we have 429 here, and we divide this observation by 11 because we have score of 11 player. So our answer is 39. From your data you can conclude that 15 occurs 3 times. You can conclude that 15 occurs 3 times. So 15 is the mode of this data. You also find median here. So for median we apply the formula n plus 1 upon 2 observation, and after applying your formula you find out median is the 6th observation. Now count your observation from the beginning or you can count it from the end. So 6th term of the observation is 15. So it is the median of this data. From our answer we can conclude that mean, median and mode of this data are not same. Now move to our next question, question number 3rd. And question number 3rd is the weight of 15 students of a class are given below, and we have to find out the mode and median of this data. Is there more than one mode? So first we arrange our data in ascending order. After arranging our data ascending order, we can conclude that the mode of this observation is 38 and 43 because both the terms occurs same number of times. So there are two modes in this data. In second part we have to find out the median of this data. So for find out the median of this data we apply our formula as I did in the previous question, and it is 40. Now move to our second last question, and second last question is find the mode and median of this data. As we all know, first we arrange our data in the ascending order. After arranging our data in ascending order, we can clearly see here 14 occurs 3 times. So it is the mode of this data, and for find out the median of our data we apply our formula and we have 14 as the median. Now move to our last question, and last question is tell whether the statements are true or false. First statement is the mode is always one of the number in our data. So it is true. Second part is the mean is the one of the number of data. It is false because mean can be one of the number of in our data or cannot be one of the number in our data. Third part is the median is always one of the number in data. It is true. Fourth part is the data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 39 has mean 9. After solving this question we find out it is false.